Here is the Pentax Zoom 70R overall conditions. And the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. You twist like this to open it. You're using two CR123A battery, so you just put accordingly to the fix that here. Like that. And press it in. Lock it. Then you just twist to here to make sure that it's locked. Okay. Next thing is to pull here this button to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Then here's the film. So we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor have met the center part of the canister. So just move like this and push the top in. Okay. Then make sure that your film is flat like this. And okay, here's the strap. The tip. So the film tip you just put until here will do. Yeah. And just close it and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded properly, then you can start shooting by shooting here. Here is the on off button lah, and here's the shutter button, macro mode, and zoom at here. Okay, then here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, there's a bracket at the center point, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if the AF light is blinking like this, which means that it can't focus, so maybe I adjust a bit. Okay, like that means that it's okay. Then I just click it. Yeah. Okay, and if this is auto flash, so when it's dark enough, then it will light up the red light, which means that the current situation, it will trigger the flash. Yeah. So you just remember, every time you want to shoot, you just like half press. If you blink, adjust a bit, half press, and press it. Half press. If it doesn't blink, click it like that. Okay. Then here is, if you click the macro mode, it will zoom to the max, then have a like closest focus area. The macro mode is focused like within 0.6 meter to 1 meter like that. Okay, if you don't want the macro mode, then you just zoom out will do. Then here's the mode for the flash. This one is force flash. No matter what environment, it will trigger the flash. Then this one is off flash with night mode, day mode, B mode. B mode is like if you click the shutter and you didn't release, it will keep open until you release. Yeah, it's for like long exposure lah. And overall is about the flash is like this. Okay, then this one is the red eye reduction. Well, I've tried before, it doesn't matter lah, honestly to say. And this one is a timer. Timer also same. You aim to the place you want to focus, half press, press it. Here have a red light up, which means that the timer has start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah, so almost there. Okay, then this dual timer. This one is continuous shooting, which if you keep pressing the shutter, it will keep shooting lah. Yeah. Then okay, again, this one is multi-exposure, which it will took like 2 shots in 1 frame. So example now is 12. If I click the shutter, it will move to 13, right? But for this, it's still 12. Click another one, then only move forward. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and if you didn't use it, you just off it, and when it should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoy.